Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to take multiple pictures on iPhone 2024. So all you have to just go to the settings first from your iPhone, then scroll down and find camera from here. Click on camera, and then you can see here one thing. Use this one. Use volume up for burst. Just turn this on. If this turn this off, make sure turn this on. And now go to camera, and now if you click and hold for volume up button, now you can see that multiple picture has been captured. Now you can slide and see the multiple pictures. You can see here, right? Multiple pictures is here. If you want to select all of this, click on select and just like this. Okay, and click on done. You can keep everything, or you can keep only 5 favorites. Choose whatever you want. And so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.